everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're watching EG's Art. Today we are going to see a DIY feather wall decor. So for this you'll be needing four cardboard pieces to be precise, with measurements of 8.5 inches into 20 inches each. So this will be the outline of the feather pattern that I'm going to draw. So first, starting to draw the outline of the feather pattern. So once the outline of the feather is done, we'll be drawing a border around the feather so that we can cut it out and then trace it for the base. Leave a small gap around the feather and then draw a border around it. Now I'm cutting it out. So I'm going to use this and trace it for the base. The 4 cardboards, we'll be using 2 for the base and 2 for the segments that we're going to cut out from the for the feather. So once done, this is how the base looks, and now we're going to cut out the segments from the drawing that we've done on the other part of the feather. I'm planning to use 2 feathers for the wall panel. So for the second one, I'm using the same segments to trace out for the second feather. So I've arranged it accordingly. Now I'm going to paste each segment with glue. Just make sure that each segment is spaced out evenly, because the gaps are necessary for the desired look of the final product that we're going to make. Once it's dried up, we are going to add on some tissue papers dipped in glue mixed with water. I've used a proportion of 2:1, 2 portions of glue and 1 portion of water. So just make sure to go with the grooves. I'm using a brush to make the grooves prominent. So this is necessary for the desired effect. I've used only a single layer of tissue to cover the cardboard. If you want, you can add a double layer to it. So once it's dried completely, we will be applying black paint to it. So I'm using black acrylic paint and I'll be coating it twice with black paint all around, including the sides, because the sides will be visible once we paste it to the panel. Now the black paint is dried. I'm going to use gold acrylic paint with the dry technique. I prefer using my fingers here because it gives a different look than the dry brush technique. If you're comfortable with dry brush technique, you can go with it, but I prefer using my fingers. For the frames, take 2 pieces of cardboard measuring 8 inches into 20 inches and with 1 inch width all around the 4 sides. I have wrapped it with masking tape and then I have painted it with black acrylic paint. Sorry I wasn't able to record the video. And then now I have placed the feather onto the frames with hot glue gun. While placing the feather, just make sure to position it in such a way that the sides of the feather are touching the sides of the frame, so that it will be easy for it to hold on to the frame. Okay, now let's see how it looks on the wall. Wow, it's looking really beautiful. It looks like a real metal wall decor when it's only a faux metal wall decor. Okay guys, please do try it. Give me your comments, like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.